Rategist Electric Razor for Men review, a versatile grooming essential. Finding the perfect electric razor can be challenging, but the Rategist Electric Razor for Men makes grooming easier with its 3-in-1 functionality. This versatile device combines a beard trimmer, hair trimmer, and nose hair trimmer, making it a great all-in-one tool for any man's grooming routine. Performance and key features. The razor features a floating head that adapts to facial contours for a close and comfortable shave. The one-touch acceleration function allows users to adjust the speed, ensuring precision and efficiency. It also has an HD display for battery and cleaning alerts, plus a travel lock for added convenience. Designed for wet and dry shaving, this IPX6 waterproof razor lets you shave with cream, under the shower, or on the go. The USB rechargeable battery provides 60 minutes of use from a 1.5-hour charge, making it ideal for travel. Pros and cons. Pros. 3-in-1 grooming solution. Adjustable speed and smooth performance. Waterproof for wet and dry shaving. Long battery life and USB charging. Travel friendly with a safety lock. Cons. The battery is non-replaceable. Some users may prefer a more powerful motor. With a 4.2-star rating from 1,258 reviews, the Rategist Electric Razor is a reliable, budget-friendly, and versatile grooming tool. If you're looking for a convenient and efficient electric shaver, this one is worth considering. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.